Hi, I'm Isabel, and I'm actually here in Dallas, Texas. I'm visiting one of my friends, and I literally got down to Whole Food Stores Market because I was a little hungry, and I actually went and got me some. You know, us Latinos gotta have our tortillas. So I'm actually, let me see. I'm actually gonna try this because as Latinos, like I said, we gotta have our tortillas. So I want to try them out because I was like thinking, hey, you know what? Since I don't have my mom with me to do you know, uh, the authentic tortillas, I figure, hey, I'm just gonna buy me some tortillas and see what they taste and let's see what they taste like. Other than that, I'm a foodie lover, so I go trying absolutely all kinds of foods. But like a wise man said, as long as it's not moving, I will eat it. And if it looks good, I'm gonna eat it. Now, let's try this tortilla and let's see what what it tastes like. It to me, look, it kind of looks like kind of not cooked completely. But because I'm so used to my mom's tortillas be well cooked and have those little brown spots and they look so delicious. You put a little bit of butter and and they're to die for. But let me try it. A little salty. mm, Not so well cooked, but at least we tried it. I'm one of those persons that I love to try everything. So um, if you please see my videos, you're gonna see me with have an adventurous life, trying and doing things that a lot of people just don't like to do, and that's just me. But like I said, I'm Isabel, and if you don't mind, if you like this video, please leave your thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.